Hi there, students. Austere, austere, an adjective. Austerity, the noun. And austerely, an adverb. Notice the os at the beginning. Austere. Okay, we can use austere when talking about a person. It means severe, stern, strict, somber, very serious, very grave. So, for example, my grandfather was an austere authoritarian, and his mother was an austere Puritan. Well, they're examples. To help you understand this, I'm going to give you the general meaning of austere as an adjective. It means unadorned, not decorated, plain and not extravagant. So he lives an austere life. No extras, just the basics, the basic necessities. His bedroom is very austere. Just a bed, a chair and a wardrobe. No pictures, no other furniture. These are the very basic things he needs. There's no decoration, no pictures on the wall. That is austere. Now, we've heard a lot from governments and politicians about austerity plans. By austerity, they mean restricting public spending to the bare essentials and raising taxes, normally so that they can balance their budget or so that they can pay back existing loans. So it's to be frugal, if you like. Austere talks about only the bare essentials. No frills, no extras. Only things that are absolutely necessary. So if you describe as a person as austere, my grandfather was an austere authoritarian, they concentrate only on what is necessary, on what is right, what is true, what is real. And they have no room in their lives for everything else. You must follow the way of doing what is right, what is good, what is you're supposed to do. An austere place only has the bare minimum necessary. A chair, a table, a bed, a place to wash, a place to cook, but all without embellishment. An austere diet might be bread, water, fruit and vegetables. And if it's cooked in a simple way. Yeah, something simply cooked. Okay, so austere, without extras, without frills. Now, what about formality? I think I would give this word austere maybe 6.5, 7 in formality. You could use it in something semi-formal or very formal. I think informally, plain, unadorned, simple. Yeah? Maybe the life of a monk in a monastery is austere. Eat, think and pray and live, and that's it. No more, no less. And what about the origin of this? Well, there's an ancient Greek word austeros, meaning bitter or harsh, or actually making the tongue dry. So, yeah, it's like you don't have any extra water, just enough. So, an austere person concentrates on the bare necessities of life. An austere style with no extra adornment or embellishment or decoration. Just the plain necessities. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Austere.